Hello and welcome to the Brick Freaks. Today we're building a winner Technic set from their Technology Assembly series. Model number is 1129 and 775 pieces. The Bulldozer, 2.4 gigahertz radio controlled. You have a battery box, two motors or two engines, a receiver and yes, the remote control. That's the third model of the new Technic series. I built a Formula 1 car and a dinosaur, and the quality of both of them were amazing. You see the videos in the end card of these models. Yes, and I hope the quality here will be the same. We will see. I open and show you what's inside. Oh, that's all inside. What's inside the box. Here we have the tracks. And we have little rubber things for the tracks, like shown here on the manual. That's cool, so it drives much better on a flat surface, on a slippery surface. So here are all the Technic parts. What's a little bit disappointing is that the three long pins here has the typical Lego blue. In the Formula 1 car and on the dinosaur they were actually in black. That was much cooler, because it always looks a bit annoying when you see the blue pins outside the model. Here we have the remote, battery box, two engines and the receiver. Here is the instructions manual. What's inside is a sticker sheet with some stickers. We will see the quality of the stickers on the other models was very good. And here the typical instructions from the winner Technic series. These are perfect instructions. You get all the axles shown, how long they should be. You always get arrows to show you from which side and everything. That's really a perfect instruction. You can build very easily and have nearly the quality of a Lego Technic instructions. It's a little more steps or more parts on one building step. Here we have the inventory, the parts list, and here's the overview over the other Technic models. I told you the dinosaur and the Formula 1 car you can already see on this channel. The tank I was not interested, because I have a lot of tanks and I actually don't like them. A little robot, I have nearly the... I have one from Mold King, it looks very similar, so I decided against this. I decided for that. And the elephant, I believe it's funny. Perhaps a little bit like the UCS 8080 walker. In form of an elephant? I don't know. Perhaps if I get it cheap I will buy it. There's over 1,300 parts or something like that, I believe. So you get a lot of great Technic parts. When I could get price, perhaps I will buy it. Okay, I start building, and when I see something interesting I show you. Here these bricks. Lego don't have them, and they are very useful. You can make a lot of things you can't do with Lego with just these pieces. Kada has a lot of them too. That's nice. If you need orange Technic parts, this set is really cool. If you don't like the model, this set is really cool. I make a link in the description where I bought or where you can buy it from your World of Building Blocks in China. And the price is with shipping, and you get very cheap, a very cool set with cool power functions and very useful pieces. The parts I've shown you before are also here in black. And the only thing is some of the pins were a little bit harder to push in than Lego. That's everything, but the quality is very good. The gears have a good quality, the axles have a good quality. And we have other useful things here. And this is interesting, I haven't seen before. That's a long axle with 2 pin holders. I haven't seen from Lego, but that should mean nothing, because I built Lego now 1.5 years and other companies, but I haven't built between 20 and 40. I haven't built any Technic models, so I don't know if Lego has this too. Both engines, motors are attached to the ground construction, and here you see have different speed now. When I turn here 2 times, it turns here 1 time. Everything fine so far, and I'm very excited what the 2 engines actually will steer. If the Bulldozer, one engine is for each track, or if one engine is for the tracks of both of them and the other is for this thing here. Or is this not controlled? I believe every engine is for one track, and this here will be controlled manually. Or with the receiver. I think the engines are for the tracks, and if you change from 1 to 2, then you can pull this up. We will see. Oh, that's my coffee machine. I've assembled it so far. Till now, no problems. Everything works fine. The quality is good. Everything works and works smoothly. Yes, a lot of fun. Nice building techniques. Very stable. Winner seems to have made a good job, like in the other models. For their first series of Technic models, these 6, they have really good quality, good instructions and nice building techniques. So far I am. No problems till now. Everything is fine. The first sticker is applied. Everything works smooth, and what's nice is here we have a 4-pin lift arm. If you want this from Lego, you have to use 2 of these are fiber, but they are 4 too. You have to use 2 pieces to get 1 piece here, and that's nice. The torso is growing. Here we have 2 rows of stickers, same on that side, and another function here, and I believe this is for moving the shovel up and down. Okay, everything's great, only the black pins here, they are really going, sometimes they are hard, they're not so good because it's hard to push it in, but when it's in it fits perfectly and it holds very, very, very tight. Okay, a little bit further here, the battery box, and it's easy to get to her. Here we can slide like a clutch here to shift between 2 mechanisms. It's a little bit smaller than I expected. I expected it a little bit longer, but we will see. But for that kind of money, if you need orange and black Technic pieces, then this is a no-brainer, because yes, 2 motors, what are they? L, XL, I don't know exactly, haven't looked. Perhaps in the... No, it doesn't stand anywhere. It says only motor. Okay, but 2 motors, the battery box, RC and the receiver, and a lot of cool orange and black Technic parts. This is absolutely no-brainer to budget a set for the pieces. Here I assembled these 2 panels with a sticker there. The cable from the receiver to the engine goes underneath it, and the engines or the motors are connected to the receiver. And here we have another panel with a winner sticker, and now it's really getting heavy. Here we have some normal bricks, some old Lego pieces, system pieces, and they have great quality too. Like the last 2-year winner has really made progress in their quality, and with the packaging and missing parts and so on, winner now is on a level like Enlighten. So very, very good. Another piece I haven't seen before is this 2x2 plate with 2 pins on the back. I've seen with 1 pin, but never with 2. And here we have a transparent 2x2 tile printed. Nice pieces. Our Bulldozer has gotten his roof and his tires for the tracks, and a sticker here, and on the other side that's sticker 2. Yes, now I'm waiting to put all the tracks together. That's, yes, the work I love from tanks and bulldozers, my favorite Lego work. He's finished our winner bulldozer. These were the 2 spare parts, 1 black round 1x1 plate and 1 of these gummy okay, the rest I show you in the review part. We see us soon. Hello and welcome to the Brick Freaks. This is the review part of Winners 1129, the Bulldozer, 775 pieces, including 2.4 GHz power functions with this remote. We have 4 channels. You can change the direction here of each motor or engine. You've seen everything, or you see how I built it in the building part, and this is my final thoughts, and I think it's a great model. If you like bulldozers or work machines, then it's a great model. Absolutely. The quality of the pieces is, except from the black pins, they are not perfect, but all the other pieces have a great quality. And the black pins, if you have to use 1 or 2, it's no problem. It's when you have a 15 long lift arm with 4 or 5 black pins and push another 15 long lift arm together, then you need a little bit power. But the rest is okay, absolutely okay. The niveau, the parts have the same quality as Kada. I believe it's Kada, because they have the same unique parts. So it's perfect. You have a link in the description to your World of Building Blocks, where you can buy this with free worldwide shipping. I don't know exactly the price, because I bought it here in Germany, but there's the link. But it's cheap. For this quality, it's really cheap, and you get the 2 engines, the transmitter or the receiver, and the battery box, and this nice remote. Then it's a perfect cheap price. The remote is you can drive it around 45 till 55 feet. So far is the connection. The stickers are really good. Here, the winner sticker. The stickers are good. They are pre-cut, they are thick enough, and they are transparent. And they are easily to get off. So if you want this model like me, have a little bit fun with it for a few hours and then use all the parts for another project, you can easily remove all the stickers. It's nice that these rubber things are on the tracks, so you have a lot of grip on flat surfaces, not only on a carpet. Yeah. This here, you can move it manually at the back. See here, can move this around. Or now it stuck a little bit. I don't know why. I have to look. I know why. Because here's a little switch. So I switch it the other way. And now it's easily, because now it's manual movement. And if I switch it into the other position again, you see, it works with the engine. Okay, so now it's back to manual movement. Well, not much more to say. I think it's a cool model for a really good price, with a lot of great parts in super quality. So I believe it's absolutely worth the money. You've seen how I built it, and it was easy. The instructions are perfect from Winner. So it's a cool model. If you like bulldozers, buy it. If you don't like bulldozers and want black or orange pieces for your Technic collection, then buy it. For me, this is a thumb up. I hope I get from you a thumb up for my video. I'm Frank from the Brick Freaks, and I hope we see you soon. Have a good time. Bye bye.